Hey everyone and welcome to my video tutorial on how to temporarily fix the Wi-Fi issue after installing iOS 17 or iOS 17.1. Apple is set to release iOS 17.2 beta to fix Wi-Fi issues that have been affecting some users since iOS 17 was released. The issues include slow Wi-Fi speeds and dropped connections, which can be frustrating for users who rely on Wi-Fi for work, school, or entertainment. Apple has confirmed that the first beta of iOS 17.2 contains a fix for several Wi-Fi issues encountered by users running iOS 17 and iOS 17.1. The company has not provided any specific details about the fix, but it is expected to address the most common Wi-Fi issues that users have been experiencing. But, while Apple is working on a permanent fix for this issue, there are a few temporary solutions that you can try. A force restart can often fix minor software glitches, so it's worth trying first. To force restart your iPhone, press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. Another thing to try is forgetting your Wi-Fi network and then rejoining it. To do this, go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Tap on the name of your Wi-Fi network and then tap on Forget this network. Once you've forgotten the network, tap on it again to rejoin it. If the previous two methods didn't work, you can try resetting your network settings. This will reset all of your Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings to their factory defaults. To do this, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset Network Settings. Apple has confirmed that a fix for this Wi-Fi issue will be released in an upcoming software update. In the meantime, you can try the temporary solutions above. If you're still having problems with your Wi-Fi after trying the above methods, you can contact Apple support for further assistance. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.